Fatimah was a devout young woman, known in her village for her unwavering faith and dedication to Islam. One day, while reading the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, she stumbled upon the tradition of planting trees as an act of charity and environmental responsibility. Intrigued by the simple yet profound beauty of this practice, Fatimah decided to revive it in her community. In her village, Fatimah began organizing events to promote tree planting, sharing the Hadith of Prophet Muhammad, that emphasizes the reward of planting trees. She explained the importance of caring for the environment, quoting, "If a Muslim plants a tree, whatever is consumed from it is charity, whatever is stolen is charity, and whatever the animals eat is charity," instilling enthusiasm and a sense of purpose in her neighbors. Her passionate advocacy inspired many, and soon, her village was adorned with new saplings. Neighbors participated eagerly, planting trees that would not only benefit them, but also future generations. The initiative didn't just transform the local landscape, it fostered a spirit of unity and collaboration among the villagers. The village mosque hosted workshops, where scholars and environmentalists taught sustainable practices, linking them to Islamic principles. Fatimah's simple act of reviving a sunnah grew into a community-wide movement, creating an environment of mutual teaching and learning, guided by the ethical standards set by Prophet Muhammad. In time, the village became a lush oasis, symbolizing the collective effort and united faith of its inhabitants. Fatimah's initiative reminded everyone of the incredible impact of following the Prophet's teachings, and the timeless wisdom contained in his traditions. The moral of the story is that a single act, inspired by the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, can spark profound change in a community.